Hello everyone, I am me and this is Rose. And हम हिस्ट्री लवर्स यहाँ आए हैं to play the Mind Wars League 2021.
जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि we are competing for the Mind War League 2021.
6 players, 15 matches and the top 4 highest scorers will move on to the next league. और उनमें से कोई एक बनेगा Mind Wars League 2021 का चैंपियन.
That's right. वैसे मैंने तो सोच लिया है ये माइंड वॉर्स ट्रॉफी जीतने के बाद शायद पैंडेमिक भी खत्म हो जाए और हम कहीं घूमने निकल जाए. वैसे मीत, ये पैंडेमिक खत्म होने के बाद where is the first place you want to travel?
I would like to go somewhere with beaches. Maybe Sri Lanka? And you?
I want to explore the 7 wonders of the world. पता है पिछले साल हमारी फैमिली ट्रिप होने वाली थी आगरा टू सी ताजमहल, तो मुझे तो वही जाना है. पर इस पैंडेमिक ने हमारी पूरी फैमिली की ट्रिप को तहस नहस कर दिया.
Be grateful कि ताजमहल है तो for all we know ताजमहल वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 के दौरान ही तहस नहस हो जाता. If it wasn't for the Britishers, world could have lost one out of its 7 wonders. The Britishers played very smartly by scaffolding bamboos all over the Taj to save it from the enemies.
एक सेकेंड. बैम्बूज पूरे ताज पे क्यों?
ब्रिटिशर्स को लगा कि ताजमहल वाइट मार्बल से बना है, तो इसीलिए it could be extremely vulnerable to being bombed. So अगर कोई पायलट आएगा तो उनको तो यही लगेगा ना कि कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है.
That is so smart. और तुझे पता है ऐसा ही कुछ जर्मनी सिटी में भी हुआ था. During the World War II, स्विट्जरलैंड के बॉर्डर पे एक जर्मन सिटी ने उनकी सारी लाइट्स बंद करने के बजाय पूरी रात लाइट्स ऑन रख दी.
What? पर उससे तो दुश्मन को उनका अंदाजा आ जाएगा.
वही तो, because all the German city were following the blackout. उनको लगा अगर वो पूरी रात लाइट्स ऑन रखेंगे तो ऑपोजिशन को लगेगा they are in स्विट्जरलैंड and उनका ब्लफ काम कर गया.
Unbelievable! यही टैक्टिक्स ना मैं स्टॉप एंड पार्टी में यूज करूंगा.
पर पहले ये बता, इस मैच के लिए तूने क्या टैक्टिक्स सोच रखे हैं?
हाँ, so convenient. बताता हूँ ना मैं. First tip, never share your tactics with your opponent.
हा, very funny. अब शुरू करें ये मैच. Let the mind wars begin.
Okay, let's start. Apart from Juno, Gold, Omaha and Utah, what was the name of the 5th beach in Normandy that was used to land troops on D-Day? A sword. Yes! From which Belgian port did the Allies evacuate 338,000 troops in 1940? It became the basis for a 2017 Christopher Nolan film. Dunkirk. Yes. What was the code name for the Allied invasion of Normandy that began on D-Day? Overlord. Yes. Which battle on the Russian steppes is acknowledged to be the largest tank battle ever fought? Battle of Kursk. Battle of Kursk. Come on! Translating to divine wind, what name refers to the suicide mission by Japanese aviators against Allied naval vessels during World War II? Kamikaze. Yes. By what name do we refer to the German plan to invade the United Kingdom following the fall of France? Sea Lion. Operation Sea Lion? Yes! Come on. Which American journal was nicknamed Ike? That was a common contraction for people with his last name, Dwight D. Eisenhower. In which year did World War II end? 1943. Which naval base in Hawaii was attacked by Japanese forces on 7 December 1941, leading to the US entering World War II? Pearl Harbor. Come on! Did you know the movie Pearl Harbor, which was released in 2001, was based on this incident, and it also won an Academy Award. Last one. Question number 10. World War II began with the invasion of which country by Germany on 1st September 1939? Poland. Come on, yes! I got 9 out of 10. कोई चांस ही नहीं है कि रोज मुझे बीट कर पाएगी. I am on my way to becoming the champion.
Question number 1. Which military vehicles were initially termed land ships and were named to make enemies assume they contained only water? Tanks. Yes! Okay. Question number 2. Who was the Kaiser of Germany during World War I? Okay. I go with Wilhelm II. Yes! Numbering nearly 334 units, what were the German submarines that wreaked havoc among the Allied forces called? I go with drones. Question number 4. Which agreement signed on the 28th June 1919 officially ended World War I? Treaty of Versailles, the Peaceful of Congress of Which monument in Delhi commemorates the soldier of the British Indian Army who lost their lives in the World War I? India Gate. Yes, yes. Question number 6. How do we better know the Russian leader whose real name is Ilyich Ulyanov, the founder of Comintern? By what colorful name do we better know the famous fighter pilot Manfred von Richthofen? The Red Baron. Yes! Did you know Manfred earned the nickname the Red Baron because he flew the Red Plane, and he was a great pilot during the World War I. Question number 8. The sinking of which ocean liner was one of the reasons for the USA to enter World War I? US Arizona. Question number 9. What Pacific is largely responsible for use of warfare employing poison gas? First Battle of York is Which region was called Powder Keg of Europe? I chose Anatolia. I get 4 points. Yes. अगर इतना ही difficult question मीत को आया ना तो मैं जीत जाऊंगी.
I scored 9 points out of 10. What's your score?
4 out of 10.
और इसी के साथ मैं जीत गया हूँ माइंड वॉश लीग का ये मैच.
कितना शो ऑफ करेगा?
शो ऑफ तो करूंगा ही. After all, I have just taken one step closer to the semi-finals. चल, let's have a look at the leaderboard.
ज़्यादा उड़ मत प्लीज. फर्स्ट ही मैच चल रहा है, अगले मैच में मैं ही जीतूंगी.
देखते हैं. लेकिन रोज फिलहाल तो तू रोज प्रैक्टिस करती रहे. Because one mind work quiz a day keeps failure away.
अच्छा, तो ये टैक्टिक्स है तुम्हारे. अब मैं समझी. अगली बार मैं भी याद रखूंगी.
घर बैठे माइंड वॉरियर्स आप भी खेल सकते हैं माइंड वॉर्स only on Z5 app.
And if you also want to be a part of this league,
write to us on contact@mindwars.co.in.
bye!
Hello Mind Warriors, I am Meet and this is Roj. Want to be the first to know about our video on Mind Wars YouTube channel? Then hit subscribe and press the bell icon.